To stop your Android phone from sharing your number is pretty simple. Make sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. First, I'm going to navigate to the settings GA and tap on it. And then with this selected, I'm going to scroll down until I locate Google and tap on it. And this will redirect me to an interface like this. With this selected, I'm going to tap on all services. And with this selected, scroll down until you locate phone number sharing and tap on it. You can see an hidden feature which is already toggled on. So Google is allowed to share your phone number to third party without your knowledge. So make sure you toggle this off. After you are done with this, navigate back to your home screen and then locate your Chrome browser on your phone. Then on this, we're going to tap on it. Then on the top right corner, we're going to tap on this three dots. Pop-up menu will appear with a list of options. Scroll down until you locate settings. And then with this selected, we're going to scroll down until we locate addresses and more and tap on it. And here is where the magic will happen. So we're going to make sure this is also toggled off. If your case is already toggled on, make sure it's toggled off. So now Google will not be able to share your phone number and address to any third party without your consent. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.